Now, we will take up some questions based on this formula. This formula already I have given in the previous session. So, let us take the first example, which is, let's say, how to find the differentiation of x power 5, which is very simple. If you learn this, then we will take up some other questions. Now, here, as per the formula, what we have here n. So n means in place of n, what we have here, what we are having 5. So we will write 5 in times into here x. So means base. So I will write the same thing, base x times n minus 1. N minus 1. 5. Then n means 5 here, and from the formula minus, and from the formula 1, 5 x, 5 minus 1, 4. So differentiation of x power 5 is what? 5 x power 4. Just try to note one thing here. Is very easy. If the differentiation of 5, then your differentiation, if the question is x power 5, then you are getting 5 x power 4. Let us take d by dx of x power 6. This is our next problems. Let's see how to solve this. First write 6 because n is 6, then base x, then 6 n minus 1, 6 minus 1. So 6 x power 6 minus 1, 5. So just try to see this. This is very basic idea given. Just the given. This is the just only basic idea. Based on this, we will solve. We will start now some other questions. Now, guys, let us take. We have seen already the introduction and some basic things about the differentiation. Now, let us take the actual question from your syllabus. Now, the first question is here. We have to find the derivative of this function x cube minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. So the solution or the easy solution for this kind of question is we will take a formula here, d by dx of uv. What is the formula? U d by dx of v plus v and d by dx of u. This you have already seen. Let us put this in the box. Now here consider this as u and this as v. So just write this in this form as per this formula. So what is u here? This first function x cube minus 3. Now d by dx of v. V means the second one. This function. What is this? 4x cube plus 1. Then what we have here? Plus. Then we have v. V means the second one. 4x cube plus 1. And then d by dx of u means differentiation of u. D by dx of u. So how we can write? Let's say d by dx of u means this. X cube minus 3. Okay, guys? Now, this function is as it is, x cube minus 3. Then differentiation of 4x cube. What will be the differentiation of 4x cube? So just ignore this 4 since it is coefficient. So this 4 you can ignore 4. Just differentiation of x cube is what? If you remember, n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. If you just now I have shown you. So that you apply here. That method will apply here. So here we will write 4, then differentiation of x cube is what? 3x square. Good. Now differentiation of 1, it is constant 0, so no need to write here 0 here because 0 plus anything, the same thing will get. So we can ignore this. Then what we have here plus this function again as it is 4x cube plus 1. Then differentiation of x cube, this will be 3x square and minus 3. This is the second term, constant. It will be the differentiation of 3. It will be 0. So we can ignore it from the second term, right? Okay, guys. By now everything is okay. We can simplify here. X cube minus 3 Here 4 3 is 12, 12x square plus, you can simplify here 3 fourths 12, 12x square and x cube, it will be x power 5 plus 3x square into 1, 3x square, right? Now here also same way, 12x square into x cube, 12x power 5 and 12x square into 3, yes, minus 36x square plus 12x power 5 plus 3x square. Now these exponents are same. This power 5 here, power 5 means x power 5 or x exponent is 5. So what we can do, 12 plus 12, 24, 24x power 5. Then what we have next is minus 36x square and plus 3x square. How much it will be? 36 minus 3, so it will be 33. So since the sign is, the sign will be here minus, so minus 33x square. Okay guys, this is your final answer. Let's take the next question. We have to find the derivative of this, or you can write what is d by dx of this. So how to find this? Let us, the step number 1, just start with d by dx, then write the bracket, then write the whole function 2x minus 3 plus then 7 minus 3x. Now we have here, this is one small function plus another function. So what we will do, we will apply this differentiation or d by dx to this and also to this. Now this, if you see the first term, this is under root or square root. If you remember, we have one formula, that is what, d by dx of root x or square root of x. That what is the formula? 1 by 2 root x, right? If you remember. So here consider this as x. Okay, consider this as x. So it will be root x, right? It means root x. So what is root x? 1 by 2 root x. So we will write here 1 by differentiation of this is 1 by 2 root x, means same thing, same function, 2x minus 3. But we considered it as x, but this is not x, only x. This is one function. So this part again we need to differentiate it again. So d by dx of 2x minus 3. Here we have finished. This part is over. Now what we have here plus. Same thing, consider this as just x. So it will be 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root x means under root of 7 minus 3x. But this is not actually only x. This is one function. So again we need to differentiate this part again. So d by dx of 7 minus 3x. Okay guys. In the next step, 1 by 2 root 2x minus 3, differentiation of 2x minus 3 as per our previous questions. What is the answer here? It will be only 2, right? Then 1 by this again same 2 root 7 minus 3x. Then what will be the differentiation of 7 minus 3x? It will be minus 3 because constant 7, 0. So we can ignore. From 3x it will be only 3, and here since here we have minus, so we are putting here minus. Now this minus into plus minus, so we will write here, and this 2 gets cancelled. We can write here 1 by under root of 2x minus 3, then plus what we can write 3 ones 3. This minus into plus, here it will be only minus, divided by 2 under root of 7 minus 3x. This is your final answer.